Welcome to my channel Sara Cooks for You. Today we're making a low calorie, low fat, a healthy and nutritious recipe which can be made in under 5 minutes. We're going to use makhanas or fox nuts for this. For that we'll take about a half teaspoon or 1 teaspoon of ghee. You can reduce this amount according to your choice. And to this I'm adding a cup of makhanas or fox nuts. We'll roast it in the ghee for some time. So this will make them really delicious and they become really crunchy. You can even eat them as it is. They are so delicious. It takes about 3 to 4 minutes to roast them. Make sure you don't burn them, and once you roast them, keep it aside. And in a bowl, we'll take in some yogurt. I've used Milky Mist yogurt for this, or you can use any other thick yogurt for this recipe. There is no fixed amounts of ingredients used. You can add about 4 to 5 tablespoons of yogurt to 1.5 cups of yogurt. It's up to you. So just whip it up and we'll make it into a smooth consistency. To sweeten this, we'll add in some honey. This again you can add it according to your taste, varying from about 1.5 teaspoon to how much ever you require. Along with this, we'll also be adding in some fruits, so please keep that in mind while adding the honey. You can also use sugar, but honey is a more healthier choice, so we'll be using honey in this recipe. I have some chopped bananas. I've used about half a banana and half an apple. So these are the two fruits that I'm adding. You can include any other fruit of your choice. And to this we'll be adding in the roasted makhanas or the fox nuts. I've not added all of them. I've used a few. We'll be making another flavor of the same yogurt. So I've kept some aside for that. Mix it all up well, and your nutritious dessert, or you can also serve this for iftar in Ramadan or even sehri for the suhoor. It's absolutely delicious and it takes just 5 minutes to make. And I'm also using a flavored yogurt to make this. I've used the blueberry. You can also use any other flavor of your choice. It's available in strawberry and also in the apricot flavor. So you can use whichever flavor you like. Add in the remaining makhanas, the banana and the chopped apple. It's as simple as this. We don't need to add in sugar or honey for this because the yogurt is already flavored. So it does have some amount of sugar in it. Now I'm topping it with some more yogurt, the flavored yogurt. Mix it up and the flavored yogurt is again ready to be served. It's absolutely delicious, it's flavorful and it's nutritious too. Instead of the fried items or the refined stuff, you can definitely include this in your diet. Please do subscribe to my channel and also give me a thumbs up if you like this recipe.